Okay, picking up with the reflection of this little fin right here, I'm going to go ahead. So I do have a plane here. It goes from that edge to that edge. And I'm going to go here and use the mirror. And I have to have it chosen as bodies. So by choosing that body, and then this is my mirror plane, hit OK. And you can see I now have that on both sides. All right, I'm going to right click on that to delete it, just because I don't really want to see that anymore. I don't even really want to see that, that's okay. I'm now going to go ahead and do a pattern, and I'm going to do a circular pattern. And I'm guessing I'm going to have to just keep going with bodies. And I'm just going to rotate that around for my axis. I'll use that center axis. When I go to 4 and hit OK, yep, it went ahead and it repeated all around. So that'll help me grasp that. Let's see. I'm going to go and, is that sketch? I'm going to delete that once. Yeah, it helps me. So it's looking really pretty good. This would be a functioning Duplo that would fit everything. I'm going to go ahead and put my name on this. So I'm going to sketch, and just on the side here, I'm going to use text, and I'm going to draw out a text box here, and I'll put CS. I can change that size, obviously, any way I want to. Hit OK. Finish that sketch, and then let's see if I can extrude. Oops, I don't want to do that. Let's cancel this and go to, might be under modify here. I'm going to pause for a moment. Okay, rather than extrude, I'm going to use emboss. And let's see, so I'll emboss. So my sketch profile, I'll choose that. For face, I'll select that. And then the question is, do I want it to come out or come in? I can go out, I can go in. I'm going to have it come out. I think it looks a little bit better, and I'm going to hit OK. And now that's not highly functional, because if it had to be right against another one, but I wanted to see that you can take a sketch, be it letters or text, and go ahead and emboss it.